In this video, we will be solving exercise number 2.2. Before we start the first sum, I need to tell you about Apollonius theorem. In triangle ABC, AM is the median. AM is the median. So M is the midpoint of BC. So by Apollonius theorem, we have AB square plus AC square is equal to 2am square plus 2mc square plus 2mc square. In the place of 2mc square, you can also write 2bm square. Either you write 2mc square or you write 2bm square. In the first sum, we have triangle PQR. S is the midpoint of QR. PQ is given 11, PR is given 17, PS is given 13. We want to find out QR. Because S is the midpoint of QR, so segment PS becomes the median. And therefore, in triangle PQR, by Apollonius theorem, we have PQ square plus PR square is equal to 2PS square plus 2SR square. In the place of 2SR square, we can also write 2QS square. Substituting the values, 11 square plus 17 square, 2 into 13 square plus 2SR square, 121 plus 289, 2 into 169 plus 2SR square, 13 square 169, 17 square 289, 11 square 121. If you add this two, you will get 410 is equal to 338 plus 2SR square. 410 minus 338 is equal to 2SR square. 338 will go on the other side. Now if you minus this, subtract this, you will get 72 is equal to 2SR square. SR square 72 upon 2. SR square is equal to 36. SR is equal to root 36. SR is equal to 6 units. Now because SR is 6, so QS will also become 6. So QR will become QS plus SR, 6 plus 6, and that comes to 12 units. In triangle ABC, in the second sum, we have in triangle ABC, AB is 10, AC is 7, BC is 9. Find the length of median drawn from C towards the side AB. From C to the side AB, the median is CM. We need to find out CM. Again median, so Apollonius theorem comes into our mind. Full AB is 10. So how much will AM become? 5. MB will also become 5. Half of 10 because M is the midpoint. Now in triangle ACB, by Apollonius theorem, AC square plus CB square is equal to 2CM square plus 2MB square. Substituting the values, 7 square plus 9 square, 2CM square plus 2 5 square. In the place of MB will come 5. 49 plus 81, 2CM square plus 2 into 25. 130, 49 plus 81, 130 is equal to 2CM square plus 50. 130 minus 80 is equal to 2CM square. 130 minus 50, sorry, which will become 130 minus 50 will become 80 is equal to 2CM square. CM square 80 upon 2, CM square is equal to 40. Square will become square root. CM is equal to root 40. Now factorize 40, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 CM. ये दो 2 में से बाहर आएगा एक 2. 2 5s are 10 will remain inside. 2 root 10 units. So the length of the median from C to the side AB is 2 root 10 units. In the third sum, we have been given one triangle PQR. PS is the median. PS is the median. PT is perpendicular to QR. And we want to prove two things. First, we have to prove PR square is equal to PS square plus QR into ST plus QR upon 2 the whole square. Second, we have to prove PQ square is equal to PS square minus QR into ST plus QR upon 2 the whole square. Let us see the first one. We want PR square. So in right angle triangle PTR, by Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PT square plus TR square Now in the place of TR can be written as ST plus SR the whole square. Now let us apply over here expansion formula. A plus B the whole square, A square plus 2AB plus B square. Apply the formula over here. ST square plus 2 ST into SR plus SR square. Now PT square plus ST square plus ST square will again become PS square in triangle PTS. If you apply Pythagoras theorem, PT square plus ST square you will get PS square. PT square plus ST square की जगह पर लिख देते हैं PS square. Now SR is half of QR. SR is half of QR because S is the midpoint. So in the place of SR, let us write down QR upon 2 the whole square. SR is half of QR because S is the midpoint. 2 cancels over here. We get PS square plus ST into QR plus QR upon 2 the whole square. This is what they wanted in the first one. Now for the second one, they want us to prove PQ square is equal to PS square minus QR into ST plus QR upon 2 the whole square. Now PQ is over here. In right angle triangle PTQ, by Pythagoras theorem, PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square by Pythagoras theorem. QT can be written as QS minus ST. QT can be written as QS minus ST. QS में से ST को निकाल दो तो क्या बचेगा QT. QT can be written as QS minus ST. QS minus ST the whole square is equal to PT square plus, here we will apply the formula A minus B the whole square. What is the formula? A square minus 2AB plus B square. PT square plus ST square को साथ में मैंने ले लिया. PT square ST square साथ में ले लिया. There is a reason. Minus 2QS into ST plus QS square. What did I do is ST square I have taken along with PT square. The reason is this. PT square plus ST square. PT square plus ST square will become PS square by applying Pythagoras theorem. PS square. Now here QS, दोनों जगह पे जो QS है, QS is half of QR. QS is half of QR because S is the midpoint. So in the place of QS, I will write QR upon 2. Here also QS, QR upon 2 the whole square. 2 cancel. What remains here? PQ square is equal to PS square minus QR into ST plus QR upon 2 the whole square. This is what they wanted us to prove. In the fourth sum we have, in triangle ABC, M is the midpoint of side BC. AB square plus AC square is given 290 centimeter square. AM is given 8 centimeter. We have to find the length of BC. Now because M is the midpoint of side BC, the segment AM will be called as the median. So now in triangle ABC by Apollonus theorem we have AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2MC square. In the place of 2MC square, one can also write 2BM square. AB and AC lengths are not given, but this combination is given. How much is that? 290 is equal to 2 square plus 2MC square. 290 is equal to 2 into 64 plus 2MC square. 8 square 64. 290 is equal to 128 plus 2MC square. 290 minus 128. 128 will go on the other side. 2MC square. 162. Subtract this, you will get 162 is equal to 2MC square. 2 will come down. 162 upon 2 is equal to MC square. MC square will become 81. Square will become square root of 81, 9 centimeter. MC is 9 centimeter, so BM will also become 9 centimeter because they both are equal, because M is the midpoint. BC will become BM plus MC, 9 plus 9, and that comes to 18 centimeter. In the fifth sum we have T is in the interior of rectangle PQRS, and we want to prove TS square plus TQ square is equal to TP square plus TR square. Here we will do one construction, and that is draw AB passing through T parallel to side SR. Because PQRS is a rectangle, so all angles are 90 degree. AB is drawn parallel to SR. Therefore, angle PAB will become 90, corresponding angles between the parallel lines. Angle QBA will also become 90, corresponding angles between the parallel lines. So now we get two rectangles over here, two more rectangles over here. PABQ is one rectangle. ASRB is also one more rectangle. In a rectangle, we know that opposite sides are equal. PA is equal to BQ. Let us assume that as X. AS is equal to BR. Let us assume that as Y. Why they both are equal? Opposite sides of rectangle. Now here we have four right angle triangles. One is right angle triangle TAP. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem over here. TP square is equal to TA square plus AP square. AP I can write as X. Statement number 1. Now in right angle triangle TAS by Pythagoras theorem, TS square is equal to TA square plus AS square Y square. Statement number 2. In right angle triangle TBR by Pythagoras theorem, TR square is equal to TB square plus BR square, which can be written as Y. Statement number 3. Now in right angle triangle TBQ by Pythagoras theorem, TQ square is equal to TB square plus BQ square, which can be written as X. Statement number 4. We got 4 statements by applying Pythagoras theorem in 4 right angle triangles. Now in order to prove this, first take LHS, left hand side. Left hand side is TS square plus TQ square. Substitute the value of TS square. TS square is TA square plus Y square from statement number 2. TQ square can be substituted TB square plus X square. TB square plus X square from statement number 4. This is the answer of LHS. Now let us solve RHS. RHS we have TP square plus TR square. In the place of TP square will come ta square plus x square from statement number 1. Ta square plus x square. In the place of tr square, we can substitute statement number 3, which says tr square is equal to tb square plus y square. tb square plus y square, statement number 6. Now if you compare the results of LHS and RHS, they both are equal. ta square, y square, tb square, x square. LHS, RHS दोनों का आंसर सेम है. Therefore, from 5 and 6 we have LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, TS square plus TQ square is equal to TP square plus TR square.